Everybody is looking for a healthier life. Start yours with us. Like, comment, and subscribe for your journey to wellness. Let's embrace nature's wisdom together.
Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious and healthy banana bread in just a few minutes. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need ripe bananas, almond flour, baking soda, a pinch of salt, a couple of eggs, a splash of vanilla extract, and your favorite natural sweetener. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then grab a bowl and mash 2 to 3 ripe bananas until smooth. Next, crack in 2 eggs and mix well. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of your sweetener of choice, and mix again. In a separate bowl, combine 1½ cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture, stirring until everything is well combined. Now pour your batter into a greased or lined loaf pan. Smooth out the top with a spatula. If you like, you can sprinkle some chopped nuts or dark chocolate chips on top for an extra treat. Pop it in the oven and bake for about 45–50 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. While it's baking, let's take a moment to appreciate the smell of freshly baked banana bread filling your kitchen. Once it's done, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice it up and enjoy. Whether you have it for breakfast, a snack, or dessert, this banana bread is sure to satisfy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more healthy recipes. Happy baking!
Wait. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.